Bahrain court jails 19 over Iran Hezbollah links. UAE releases seized Qatari military vessel. Egypt's Morsi to spend 7th Ramadan behind bars family. Death toll from Israel's Gaza onslaught rises to 27. Gaza sees caution calm after 2 days Israeli onslaught. Israel strikes 320 sites in blockaded Gaza Strip. Hamas calm can be restored only after stopping Israeli attacks. Turkey's ties with different regions complementary. Erdogan. 90 Sudanese protesters killed since December. Doctors. International envoy urged Sudan Army Council to hand over power. Gunman kills soldier in northwest Pakistan. Taliban attack kills 25 soldiers in western Afghanistan.